Good evening, everybody. Crypto Strang here. On this video, I'm going to talk about how to file your tax reports. Because obviously, when you make profits with crypto, you have to pay tax. You certainly do here in the UK with HMRC. Basically, we have a thing called capital gains tax here. And basically, every year, they seem to be lowering it, the threshold. Okay, used to be like 12,000, now it's like 6,000 too. You have to start paying on the profits over that. Now, obviously, in a bull market, you could well easily make over that. So, the crypto tax reports, there's many sites I've looked into. Because basically I was doing it manually, and between me and my accountant it was taking a long time. My accountant was getting very frustrated because obviously I did a lot of transactions. So basically I've researched and I've come up with my personal #1 site. It's actually called accointing. We'll go through it in a minute, but however there is many others which have a lot of popularity, very good, but there is also a lot of competition. Do your own research. It depends which country obviously you're in as well. So on coinly.io, the first one on the screen, crypto tax reports under 20 minutes, available in 20 plus countries, free report review. So you can see there it's HMRC, ATO, CRA reports, and you calculate your taxes. Another site I looked into was coinledger.io. Again, crypto taxes done in minutes, and NFT tax software built to save you time and maximize your refund. Now, I must admit, when I've done my report, I've done on CoinTease, it takes a while to do. We'll go through in a minute. It does take a little while initial setup, but after that, it is really straightforward. So tokentax.co, crypto taxes can be complex, no doubt about that, but they don't have to be painful. Another site, cointracker.io. Okay, now the one I've used is cointing.com. Okay, now from crypto chaos to tax compliance in 5 clicks flat. Now, compliant with HMRC and trusted by UK tax professionals and traders alike. Now, with accointing, they actually do reports which are completely compliant for of the UK, Australia, Switzerland, Germany, Austria. Now, other countries have to look into more in depth, but obviously I'm based in the UK and accointing really did stick out for me. It's actually by Glassnode accointing. So you can sign up for free. Now, you don't have to buy packages depending on how many transactions you're doing. Now, you don't have to put your credit card in, so you can literally try the system before you have to sort of commit to actually paying for the reports. Now, you actually can get a free tax report for up to 25 transactions. So here we're on a better market. Me personally, I'm not actually doing a huge amount. I'm just literally just buying. I'm not really doing much trading. I'm not doing much selling. I'm just, as I've always stated, this year is all about accumulating for me. Now, you can all there see the reviews. And it's also been featured, CNBC, Bloomberg, Forbes. So it's only been out there. Now, while also instant import all your transactions, we've implemented over 300 integrations so far to help you automatically calculate your gains and losses. How Cointing helps you track and file your taxes from Bitcoin to DeFi to NFTs and everything in between. Now, review your portfolio and obtain valuable insights, and it is the easiest way to file your crypto tax in the UK. My accountant's very happy with it. I sent reports. It really saved, him a lot of time and myself. And it was laid out perfect. And they calculate the capital gains and income tax using the pooling method and following the same day rule and the better breakfast rule. So explore the crypto market, influence the crypto space. So it does more than just give you a report. It gives you more insights as well. Now, one platform for all your crypto tax need. Now, obviously, you have to pay for this. I say unless you're just doing up to 25 transactions, which is free. Now, me personally, I've had to do the day trader because, now this is the downside to it, which I didn't realise, I do a lot of staking on exchanges. Now, every day you get an award on various exchanges. That obviously counts as one transaction each day for each coin. So my transactions are in the thousands. Now, there's obviously a downside to it. So I can file up to 10,000 transactions with the day trader, which is £300 per year, premium support. You might just want to be the investor, £129 a year up to 1,000 transactions, or just a hodler up to 100. But I say you also got that free option up to 25. Okay, so again, there is a referral link below to support the channel. Do appreciate everyone who uses my link. If you're based in the UK, it's entirely up to you. You can do it manually. Me personally, I found this a very quick way of doing it and saved me a lot of hassle. Otherwise, it was literally taking me a couple of days to do it all manually. Then you've got to talk to your accountant, etc. This is done all for you, so it saved me endless time. You can see there all the different parts of it, the 400 plus exchange integrations. All of our packages include the features below: tracking features, support, data import, transaction, and the taxes. Now, also got the best portfolio tracker, the Global FinTech Awards for 2021. You can see there 5 reasons why customers love us: best in class accuracy, rare currencies, outstanding customer service. That is very good. I've contacted support. Probably because I'm on the premium support, I don't know. If you just do normal support, it's very quick responses. That's great to see. Now you can see all the different information here. Now, also on their site, Hub, we've got basically a blog. They call it hub.accointing.com. I mean, obviously, again, because I'm related with the UK crypto tax regulations, it talks there about the DeFi tax guide, how to avoid crypto tax in the UK, NFT taxes, the guide, obviously, how to file, and then it gives you also see there, talks there about the Australia crypto tax regulations, the Germany, the Dutch, the Switzerland. Also got there the USA as well. Okay, so again, that would point to a lot of people. Now, actually, when you're on the actual site, now you can see here, basically you just add the exchanges. So whatever exchange you want to use, there's many here, there's many others, and also you've got a selection here where it's not added, they can get it sorted. So you link your basically your exchange with this with a thing called API. Now your API key, you've spoken many times before, do your own research whether you're happy to link your account with a third party. Now what you can see, I've done the screen here, you can see the API keys are invalid. Now, when you set your API, you want read-only. You're obviously not going to give them permission to trade or anything like that, just read-only. Again, you must do your own research if you're happy to share your API key with the exchange. Now, what I did, I set my API key, I linked it, I got my report, and then I deleted that API key because I've got my report. That's all I wanted. Okay, so I wasn't happy keeping API key in here for another year till I needed my next report. So what I've done, I just deleted. You can see here something went wrong, API keys are invalid, etc. Because I've literally deleted all of them. Okay, so again, do your own research. So there's a lot of information on this. You can see the dashboard on the side here. It talks about your portfolio, can tell you how much it's currently worth, your wallets, your transactions. Now, obviously I've got many pages you can see here. Now let's talk about the staking. You can see there, my staking income. I didn't realize I even had it, to be honest, on Coinbase. And I owned a little tiny bit of Atom on there. And it's not even getting me 1p a day. So, but it counts as a transaction, which is obviously a bit of a pain, to be honest. But you also got your review, but you've got your taxes bit here. Now this is really fascinating. Now, because you've linked your accounts, it goes through about all the years you've been using that, you can select which tax year you want to do. Now you can scroll through and you hit that. Now it will then relate to how many transactions you've done that year, how much you need to, which package you need to buy, whether you need to buy the day trade or just the HODL or whatever. So you select which year you want to do and you've got that bit there. It talks about Glassnode, about themselves, got Discord. The help is really good. I say I've got premium support, but however, that's still very good. Now invite friends. So basically, I say there is a referral code. I do appreciate it, people use it. However, what he also states here, which I found here interesting here, was you get up to £60 every time your friend you refer makes a purchase. Your friends get up to £60 discount on their purchase. So again, we're both making a bit of money on the side. But I say, if you don't use my referral code, obviously, but please make sure you're on accointing.com. Okay, so it's absolutely fascinating. So it's really straightforward. And I say, once you've connected your API, if people want a more in-depth video about how to connect an API, it's very straightforward. You basically go on Binance or whatever, you hit your dashboard, you scroll down API management, you get your key, you get your secret, you link it here, and it purposely links it. It takes, depends how many trades you've obviously done, it takes about 5-10 minutes, then it's on there. Okay, now they've also got their own YouTube channel. It talks there about how to do each one, how to file your crypto taxes. You can see they're streamlining your crypto portfolio. So there's a lot of interesting videos to help you along your line. Now, what I've done is CSV, basically downloads to link that account, and I say my accountant's very happy with that, which obviously is half the battle. So basically you've got this here. Now, I think it's wonderful. I say got all these others though, don't forget the others I mentioned: coiny.io, coinledger.io, tokentax.co, cointracker.io. But I say definitely my favourite, I've looked more in depth into exactly what I need. Accointing was exactly what my accountant needed. So any trouble with taxes? I know it's a really unfortunate part of cryptos, and let's be honest, is literally having to do your taxes and pay on your profits. But that's life, I guess. So thanks very much. If you want to help, just email me, info@cryptostrain.com, all my social media links below. I've never done a video before about doing your taxes. Again, it's something you must do yourself, do your own research. So me personally, I keep it all intact. I don't want to get massive headache in a few years if I didn't claim it. So I do it every year without fail. So thanks very much. We will chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.